up, guys? Today we got some Mototec 60 volt 2000 watt. We finally got it. Well, let's get this thing. This is a 60 volt battery, my first 60 volt. Yeah, this thing is really sweet, actually. It's more meant to be a dirt bike because it's called a dirt bike. You know the difference between an e-bike and a dirt bike? My Ridstar Q20 is an e-bike, and this is a dirt bike. It has a pretty good top speed. We can test that later in the video, so stay tuned. Let's just take this thing off-road. Suspension is so good. A lot better than the Ridstar Q20 for off-road. Brake test. Whoa. The brakes are really good on this, actually. Really good. It has these little speed knobs. So this is acceleration. So if you put this all the way up here, slower acceleration. If you go down here, it's fast acceleration. But if it's speed, this is 7 miles per hour all the way down here. And then 40 miles per hour is right here. I don't believe it goes 40 miles per hour, so let's test that. It's really cool. Let's go do our speed test. It's like here. To some off-road places. Alright, let's talk about the price. So the price on this thing will be $1,300. I bought mine from eBay because that's the fastest shipping from eBay. So if you want faster shipping, you have to buy it from eBay. I had this problem. It says I don't have these freaking handlebar clamps on here. It came with no handlebar clamps because the box fell out during shipping. And it came with a hole in the box, so that's why it was messed up like this. So if you have the problem, just email them and they'll send you a new one. They're sending us a new one too. Acceleration is fast. It might beat the Leo SX10, the scooter I have. And that one goes 40. Let's do a quick hill test. Easy up the hill, big bump. Super easy. A little bump right here. Like, that's no problem at all. Let's go up here. Let's take the bumpy test and the hill climb test. The Ridstar couldn't make it up this hill, so let's see if this can make it up the hill. Wow, that was super easy. And this is where the bump starts. I swear it's not that bumpy. Like the Ridstar, it would be super bumpy. And you can get speed in the grass. So this is a good dirt bike. Max is a little more expensive. That's why I didn't get it. And it goes a little slower, I think. Wow. And then there's a little jump up here. I can't really hit jumps because this handlebar, tiny little jump up here. Yeah, it's really fun. I just hit the jump. Oh, the little dog. Let's go over here where all the big bumps start. Let's see how good it handles. I'm so impressed, bro, actually. This thing is really good. This thing is an off-road machine. I don't like is the seat. The seat is not comfortable. Like for all these dirt bikes, the seat's not comfortable. It's like every dirt bike, like my friend's dirt bike over here I tried, it's a really uncomfortable seat. The Ridstar is the only comfortable seat, really. Yeah, no problem. Let's see if I can make it up here. Another pretty steep hill. Yeah, right up it. The black makes it look really cool. If you take the stickers off, it makes it look really cool because the green just doesn't look that dirt bikey. This is really recommended. I feel like it's kind of cheap too. I'm not talking about like cheap in like value, but like cheap in like the price. Real quick. Haven't took it over here yet. Pretty good. Well, people say it's bad, but I've been riding for a pretty long time. I've been riding for like 30 minutes, and battery's down to 2 bars. I think it's 4 bars from the start. It's pretty good so far. People say it's not good. I think it's pretty good for a little meter bike like this. home. I'm coming in. It's made for dirt though. It feels so good for dirt. So, I don't know if you practice now. Let's practice. I'm gonna go up through the back way. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Heading home. And if you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe. I literally never say that, and my dad told me to say it sometimes so I can get extra subscribers. But this thing is actually super cool. So I'm not sponsored, but you should buy it. Alright?